All right, everyone, we are going to take a look at shipping coin here. So shipping on the weekly chart here, you can see from the high back here in January of 2022 to the low, we had a 3-2 retracement to 009. We're back below the 236. Want support, turn resistance now. So the big question is, to me, is this thing going to repeat history? You can see that every time it comes down, spikes up, makes a new low, spikes up, makes a new low. Just spiked up again, and it is back below support turn resistance here. So the big question is it going to come back down here to the bottom at 0017 and potentially even lower for a new low? Is this thing going to go up in the next bull run? I do not know. It seems to so far not have a bottom. If you come back down to the 17 area, if that is going to be the case and you hold that and you get a nice little bounce and you don't go lower, then I would say yes, it is going to go up at some point. So just keep that in mind. You are below the 005 level here. Until you get over that, the bottom is potentially not in. What we're going to do is simply go down to the 3-day chart here really quick and get you guys some little bit more prices to watch by that 5 or 005 level there. And we're going to simply draw a Fibonacci from this here to that high there off of that wick. And you can see that if I can get this to stick, that from that low to that high, you're down to your 0.5 at 4.6. And notice the support here around the 786 level at 3.7. I would say that is your must hold price. If you take out the 4.6 level here, you do have that 618 at 4.2 for a almost 11% drop. But if the price comes down here and you do not hold 0037 for that 20% drop here, then I would say you probably are coming back down to the bottom and potentially making a new low. So if you do something like this, just look out below, I would say, on shipping coin here. So yeah, I mean, other than that, there's really not much else to say. Off of that low here at 0017, if that is going to be the bottom, you are starting to make higher highs and higher lows. And I would simply say just watch the support levels here. Any lower than 3.7, you're going to zero. And you need to break back above the 005 level to get some momentum going back up and potentially over that 236, and your next target would be the 0092 price once again. So it needs to break the pattern here. It needs to break this bearish pattern that it continues to do over and over again throughout its history here. So I would say keep an eye on those levels. If you can get back over 005 here, that is a 7.5% move back over that 3.2 here on this much smaller Fibonacci. And then there's a real good chance this thing's going to start spiking up, and your next major resistance would be a 93% move up to 0092, and then potentially over that 3.2. Shipping coin here would officially be bullish, and the bottom would be in at that point here. So we will leave it at that on shipping, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.